One of our most important and actually surprising findings here during our excavations at Tel Akko is a huge iron industrial area that you can see right behind me. It dates to the Persian period, from the 6th to the 4th centuries BCE, when this site was part of the Persian Empire. It's also a Phoenician site, and the Phoenicians are known for their trade in metals and their iron working. As part of our attempts to reconstruct the iron industry at Akko, this past week we conducted an experimental archaeology project with our archaeometallurgist and a blacksmith to attempt to reconstruct the entire ironworking process, especially the smithing.
I am archaeometallurgist. As bachelor's degree, I have got a metallurgy and materials science, and later on I have involved in archaeology, so it's like a combination of these science fields. So it's both social and analytical science. And experimental archaeometallurgy is a big part of our job, because sometimes we see some information from objects, but we cannot make comments out of it. Still we can interpret. We can say that it might happen like this or heat it like this, but to be sure we have to try it. And we are very lucky that we have got Gökhan Bakla. He's a master in blacksmith. He is using traditional methods to produce special blades. He is using different techniques like pattern welding, Damascus, crucible steel, and this kind of stuff. And with him together, we will make a couple of experiments here, smithing experiments, because we believe that here is a Persian smithing industry area we are talking about. And then we would like to try the similar techniques to forge iron and to see if we can get similar archaeological finds.
Part of the experiment that we did here was to build two different hearths. The first one that we built behind me was using clay. However, on the excavations, we never found hearths with clay. So the second hearth that you can see in front of me here was built using just earth, a little bit of water that you can see here, the clay tuyere, as in the excavation that we found. And what we found, what we discovered when after we used the hearth and we took out the ash, was that the sides of this hearth were hardened, almost as hard as clay itself. What we find in the excavation is a lot of vitrified earth. So it seems to me that this type of very simple hearth, which is just a hole dug in the ground with the tuyere that went into the hearth, without any preparation, was just fine as a smithing hearth.